What if glass wasn't just glass? Imagine a glowing hot blob of molten glass transforming into whatever you dream up, be it a sleek black panther, a glowing glass pumpkin, or a delicate crystal rose. Today, I'm showing you the easiest way to create your own AI glass-blowing videos. No complex software, no image generation needed. Just one magic prompt. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the video. Once you've launched the software, navigate to AI video, text to video. You'll see the available AI models. For hyper-realistic textures like glass, I highly recommend selecting Seedance 2.0. It handles light refraction beautifully. I've created a special glass-blowing prompt template just for you. Grab the link in the description, paste it into ChatGPT, and pick a concept you love. ChatGPT will instantly turn it into a perfect text-to-video prompt. Then, just copy that result and paste it straight into Edimakor. Set your resolution, aspect ratio, then click Generate. Watch as the AI turns your text into a mesmerizing clip of glowing glass art being shaped. You can create glass-blown versions of literally anything. And trust me, these clips look just as fire as those viral videos on your For You page. Step 3. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to share it on social media. Simply add #Edimakor to claim 10 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.